I'm creating a luxurious designer moment in my entryway with pieces that feel elegant, timeless, and welcoming soon as you walk through the For layering and dimension, I started with this iconic Tom Ford book. Set the stunning geometric cutout vase with this gorgeous blush cherry blossom stems arranged to create fullness, softness, and beautiful movement throughout the space. I also included alongside with a decorative chain link object for that curated designer look. And because beautiful places can be practical too, I included this fashion inspired tissue box designed as stacked designer books featuring New York, Milan, and Paris, bringing both function and style to this entryway. I stacked another 2 decorative books to style this chic studded decorative box to store keys, sunglasses, or even remote control on your coffee table. To add ambience, I incorporated softly glowing candles on both sides of the vases that instantly make the entryway feel warm and inviting.
River day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue.
And this is what I call luxury meets functionality. Every detail was chosen to create a beautiful first impression the moment you walk through the door. Let me hear from you in the comments. Like and follow for more. Thank you.
That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning blues. Good to use.